Welcome. Today we present the PNIA 024 Wi-Fi smoke detector. The smart solution for protecting your home. In a world where carelessness, overloaded wiring, or a forgotten pan can spark a fire, this device steps in fast when it detects smoke. The PNIA 024 model combines an advanced chipset with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity and full control via the Tuya Smart app, right on your smartphone. With an audible alarm of over 85 decibels and a visual LED indicator, you're instantly warned. Plus a silent alert mode lets you receive discreet push notifications when you're away. Power is simple, a 9-volt alkaline battery included in the box, with ultra-low standby consumption. Meaning up to 2 years of battery life under normal conditions. Built from fire-resistant ABS plus PC material, it's dust-proof and designed for durability. Mounting is straightforward. Ceiling or wall. Installation takes minutes. Fix the bracket, attach the sensor, add it to the Tuya app and it's guarding your home 24/7. Whether you're home or away, the PNIA 024 gives you peace of mind. Instant alerts, powerful alarm, easy install. To learn more, check the link in the comments. Don't wait for the worst to happen. Secure your home today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more smart home reviews.